Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 239. So, in today's episode, here's the thing. Jody had a question, and Jody's question was, Matt, I saw you just posted a Cricut video. Are you selling Cricuts? I'm not. But, here's the thing. We sell the cameos, we sell the Graphtex, we sell the Rolands, we sell the GCCs, we sell all these different things. We don't sell Cricuts, so we really didn't do videos on them before, but in this Ask Matt, I'm going to go to Michael's. I'm going to go buy a Cricut, just like every single one of you would, okay? They don't give it to me. I actually contacted Cricut, tried to be able to sell Cricuts, and they wouldn't sell to me, so I don't even know, but I'm still going to make videos. I can still go buy a Cricut for full price just like every one of you, and I can make tutorial videos to help you with our different designs, show you how the wizard can work with the Cricut, show you how all the rhinestones and the Magic Flock template material can work with the Cricut, and all it's going to do is help you guys, and you guys know that's what I'm all about. So, you guys are going to go on the road with me to go buy a Cricut today, and Maddie and Jax will probably come with us as well. And then I'm going to start doing some, and that doesn't mean all videos are going to be Cricut videos, don't worry guys, all right? But I'm going to knock out some of those as well, because all that will do is allow me to help all of you guys better, because I know there's a lot of Cricut users out there, just like there is cameos and Graphtex, and as your business grows, then maybe you grow out of that Cricut into a Graphtex or a GCC or a Roland or something else, and I can help you guys with those as well. So, let's head on the road and let's go buy ourselves a Cricut. I don't even know which one I'm getting. We're going to go to Michael's. We're going to see. But I don't even know if I can use coupon codes. Can I? I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. All right, guys. We're just about to pull into the mall here. I got my helpers, Jackson and Maddie. They actually aren't coming to help. I just picked up Maddie from gymnastics. And I told them if they came with me, we could go to Shake Shack. So they aren't really coming to help. They just want some Shake Shack. All right, we are here at Michael's. We're gonna get run over. Nope, we're good. And let's see what we're gonna go get. Don't even know yet. What are we gonna get?
I don't even know.
I don't even know. The new Cricut Joy is here. Look at all those bowls. All right, so we are here in the Cricut section. And they got a lot of different colors. What do you think, matte black?
Yeah.
I think matte black. So they got a price at $249. I think I saw it on Amazon for $229. So we're gonna try and get a price match on that as well. And then, what do you guys think? Should we grab a easy press too? Maddie, you want a little personal press?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you use it?
To do decals on? Yeah.
Yeah? A little mini one, medium one, or big one? What else do they have here? Some infusible inks. I don't even know about those. We got a ton of glitter heat transfer vinyls and Easy Weeds. Guys, don't buy your Easy Weed or glitter from here. You buy it from the Rhinestone World, and it's not $22. Right? That's where you get it holographic. The Rhinestone World. We got a lot of stuff here. You don't need to buy it here. So I say we get the, oh, look, there's our price match, $227. Let's do it. So we're gonna go with the black matte, and then we're going to get an easy press as well, which is, damn, those are pretty expensive. All right, so I think we're gonna go with a 9x9 press. Hopefully they'll price match it with Amazon at like $148, and then we're gonna go with the matte black Explore Air 2. Let's do it. Alright, so we're leaving Michael's with a complete fail. All they had was
Mint.
basically girly colors, right?
Yellow, purple.
Yeah, and then I'm saying that as we're looking at a rhinestone car decal on my car right here. But I'm gonna order one on Amazon, and then I don't have to worry about the price match thing. It'll be here. That's always an option as well. But not going to be able to unbox it tonight, obviously. But I am getting the Easy Press, and I'm going to get the Cricut Explore Air 2 for more videos for you guys. Alright, so we're standing outside Michael's now, and they didn't have it there, so you know what that means? We go to Amazon and we get the black one. So on Amazon, $227. Good to go there. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart. Don't need any extra products because I'm going to buy vinyl from rhinestoneworld.com. And then let's hop over to our search. Let's get our Easy Press. Easy Press for $148, a little bit less than Michael's. Don't need to worry about the price match. And we're going to do the raspberry because it's probably the most masculine color there is on them. And let's go ahead and add that to the cart. Don't need any extra accessories. Proceed to checkout. And you guys can see my shopping cart right here. I'm going to spend $375.98 to make videos for you guys to help you with your business. And that's our goal. Again, don't have the ability to sell the Cricuts right now. Cricut, if you're watching this, don't be scared to call me. But Cricut Explore Air 2 Matte Black will be here tomorrow. And the Cricut Easy Press 2 heat press machine for t-shirts and HTV. We need to talk to Michaels and Cricut and say for heat transfer vinyl, t-shirts, and bling anything material. Because that's my goal, is to make some rhinestone or glitter decals with heat transfer vinyl with the bling anything material. Show you how you can do it with the Easy Press. I'm sure it can be done, but videos coming soon. Alright guys, well that was a waste of about an hour and a half of my time, and then Shake Shack included, a good 2 hours plus. But as you can see, oh, Bling and Wrigley wrestling over here. They love coming out here. But didn't get the Cricut Explore, and I make fun of me guys because it was brand new and it was still new to me. I kept calling it in the last video Explorer, and it's not the Explorer like Ford Explorer. It's the Cricut Explore Air. And every time I would hear people say Explore Air or Explorer, I would think it was one word. So it's Explore Air 2, and that's the one I did the last video in. So if I said Explorer, sorry about that. But ordered it on Amazon, as you guys can see, so it will be here tomorrow. I should have never left the house. I'm kind of pissed at myself because I could have had another video for you guys in that 2 hours that I just spent going to Michael's and trying to find this thing, because you guys saw the color choices that they had, and I'm already using the pink press. I probably don't need the mint Cricut as well, so I got the matte black one coming in. Michael said that they would have price matched the Amazon price, so if you guys do go get one at Michael's, make sure to show them that Amazon price for the Easy Press and for the Cricut as well. But pricing's pretty good on it, especially, and you guys know I always like it, and that's why I'm doing the videos on this. Is a lot of you guys are going to look at it and say, why would you do videos on that? You don't even sell that stuff. But the thing is I know a lot of people want to get their little side hustle going, want to get something started, and don't have the money to invest like I didn't off the start when I started my business. So I'm trying to find you guys the most affordable way to get started in the business. And then if you get started, then eventually you get into a Graph Tech or a Roland. They are freaking excited right now. Bling, Wrigley, hey, Bling, hey, come here. What you doing? Hey, say hi. You say hi? No? You guys just want to play? Say hi, Wrigley. Alright, they're playing. They're having fun. But the goal is, for those of you who are just, maybe you're a high school teacher now, like I was, and Lorraine and I were, and you don't have a lot of extra money to get started, but you want to get started, well, this is a good way to get started. So, again, hopefully this video helped you guys out, gives you some ideas of different ways you can get started if you're starting on a budget like I was as well. Like I always say, I didn't even get a cutter that was as good as the Cameo when I got started. So, get started with something. If you don't start your business, you can't grow your business. So, make sure to click that subscribe button. Sorry I didn't get to the unboxing and everything, but it's coming in tomorrow. Jackson's got a baseball tournament this weekend, so he's got a bunch of games, but I'm going to get to it hopefully this weekend. If not, I'll get to it on Monday, but as soon as it does come in, I'm gonna break it open. I'll get some TikTok videos going. I'll get some Instagram stuff going. I'll get some Facebook stuff going. We'll pop on YouTube here, so you know what we do. All right, crew? Subscribe, like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Later.